Welcome to Review the Best, by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Airsoft rifle, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Airsoft rifle, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Airsoft rifle from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lancer Tactical Gen 2 Durable Airsoft M4 SPR-AT Polymer. The Lancer Tactical Gen 2 Durable Airsoft M4 SPR-SP AEG Polymer is a high-performance airsoft rifle designed for both durability and precision. Featuring a reinforced polymer body, the rifle offers enhanced reliability with a full metal version 2 gearbox, M120 spring, and high-speed motor. It boasts a 6.03mm minimum tight bore barrel for improved accuracy, paired with an FPS range of 380 to 399 for powerful shots. The rifle comes with two magazine options, a 130-round no-wind and a 300-round wind-up magazine, allowing flexibility in gameplay. The 9.6-volt nunchuck battery offers convenient power with an automatic shutdown feature for safety. With an adjustable retractable stock and 20mm top optic rail for scopes and sights, this rifle ensures comfort and precision for every mission. The Lancer Tactical Gen 2 is the ultimate choice for serious airsoft enthusiasts, offering reliable performance in both full auto and semi-auto modes. Perfect for tactical play and competition. Number 2. Umarex HK Heckler & Koch 6M BB Rifle Airsoft Gun. The Umarex HK Heckler & Koch 6mm BB Rifle Airsoft Gun is an elite airsoft rifle designed for both novice and experienced players. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this AEG rifle delivers impressive performance with semi-auto and full-auto shooting modes, firing 6 times plastic BBs at speeds of up to 340 FPS. It features a high-capacity 250-round magazine, allowing for extended play without frequent reloads. Built with a durable polymer body and a full metal inner gearbox, this airsoft gun is crafted for longevity and reliability. The adjustable stock, flip-up front and rear sights, and integrated Picatinny rails ensure a comfortable and customizable shooting experience. Whether you're in the field or at the range, the HK416 AEG is a perfect choice for tactical precision. Plus, it includes a battery and charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Elevate your airsoft game with this iconic, high-performance rifle. Number 3. Sig Sauer MPX spring-operated airsoft rifle with spring pistol. The Sig Sauer MPX spring-operated airsoft rifle with spring pistol kit is the ultimate airsoft package for enthusiasts of all levels. This set includes two highly detailed replicas, the Sig MPX submachine gun and the P226 service pistol. The rifle shoots at up to 300 FPS and features a 26-round drop-free magazine with a 500-round reservoir for extended play without frequent reloads. The pistol, shooting at 270 FPS, comes with a 12-round magazine. Both guns are designed with accuracy in mind, featuring adjustable flip-up sights, a Picatinny optics rail for scopes, and fixed white dot sights on the pistol. Constructed with durable injection-molded polymer, the MPX rifle offers a 3-position removable stock for customizable length, making it perfect for players of all ages. With added Picatinny rails for accessories like lights or lasers, this airsoft kit provides excellent performance and versatility for any player. Number 4. GoldenBall Full Set Airsoft AEG M518 Tactical Adjustable Airsoft Stock. The GoldenBall Full Set Airsoft AEG M518 Tactical Adjustable Airsoft Stock is a high-performance airsoft rifle designed to enhance your gameplay. Featuring a rugged ABS plastic construction, this airsoft gun is built for durability and longevity. It comes equipped with an adjustable hop-up system for improved accuracy and performance. The rifle supports both semi-automatic and fully automatic firing modes, making it versatile for various airsoft combat scenarios. With a high-capacity 320-round magazine, you'll enjoy uninterrupted action, and the included battery and charger ensure you're always ready to go. The metal flip-up front and rear sights enhance your precision, while the high-performance red dot sight offers fog-proof, shock-resistant housing, dual illuminated reticles, and adjustable brightness for precise aiming. The rifle fires 6mm plastic BBs at up to 340 FPS, offering a thrilling and reliable airsoft experience. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with this full-featured airsoft rifle. Number 5, Lancer Tactical Gen 2 MK18 Mod Airsoft Gun with 6mm pellet and grip. The Lancer Tactical Gen 2 MK18 Mod Airsoft Gun is built for durability and performance, making it a must-have for airsoft enthusiasts. Featuring Gen 2 upgraded nylon-reinforced receivers, this electric AEG is designed for increased longevity and reliability. Powered by a high-performance M120 spring and metal spring guide, the MK18 MOD ensures a powerful FPS of 380 to 399 with smooth operation, thanks to its 18-proportion 1-gear set and polished 6.03 mm tight-bore barrel. The precision barrel enhances shot accuracy, while the 300-round high-capacity magazine ensures extended playtime without constant reloading. With easy spring system adjustments, this gun offers versatile power output for various field conditions. The ergonomic motor grip provides a comfortable, secure hold for prolonged gameplay. Equipped with full auto, semi-auto, and safety modes, the Lancer Tactical MK18 MOD is built for tactical flexibility, making it the perfect choice for precision and reliability on the airsoft battlefield. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.